Check this out, everybody. Danny Koker here, aka The Count, coming to you from Count's Kustoms. I want you to see a new build that we recently got completed. This motorcycle is gorgeous. It's a gentleman named Bob, way cool client. 2019 Ultra Classic. Check out what Shannon did all over this bike and what Ryan did all over this bike. You guys are going to dig it. I know you're going to wish you were in the wind on this.
I rode it here yesterday.
Excellent.
5 a.m. to got here at 1.
Yowza. So a customer came in, saw one of our crosses. It's a teal over metal flake that's sprayed on black. And then I did the same, the silver metal flake, and I blended it with some oriental blue, which is a classic combination. So this is the color palette that I'm gonna be working with this bike. Customers love the bike. It's just time to make it stand out in a sea of other motorcycles that look exactly the same, which is typical. I mean, that's what we do.
We're doing the center stand, the actuated center stand. Pipes. Bars, definitely bars, windshield. I'm sending them information on the legends, because you know I love suspension. But yeah, no, wheels, paint.
Go with the front rim.
21 inch on the rear.
I'm with that.
We're excited.
Same here. It's been a while since I've done a pinup. What's up, Bob? What's up, Lee? How you guys doing?
Good.
Good to see y'all.
Good to see you, man.
Today's finally the day.
I know.
Thank you.
Very good, very good. So there's your bike. Right there in the sun. Holy crap, I haven't even seen it in the sun yet.
Hey, this song was playing.
Oh my God, dude.
What song is it? It's Magic Moment.
Good call on the color, man. Make yourself at home. Holy crap.
Seriously. Damn, dude. That color is crazy, man.
Thanks for making him so nervous.
Yes, I was a nervous wreck, but that kind of goes with everything when it comes to, you know, a woman's portrait.
Oh,
Does anything take away from the paint?
God, it's incredible, man.
I'm glad you mentioned on the silver leaf, because I love silver leaf. Everyone knows Ryan loves silver leaf.
Yeah.
Making it not stand out, because silver leaf, especially with a rich color like this, it has a tendency of,
It's overwhelming.
yeah, nobody cares about the color anymore. What's all this leaf?
Yeah.
I'm glad you brought that up, because that smoke, the black candy on there, man, that really did change it. I got to add that to the memory bank.
And he hit a bunch of your other artwork that's in there.
Love it. That is perfect. That's exactly what I was.
That is so nice.
Just enough to pay homage, but not say you used to be a CB, you know?
I didn't want to overwhelm it.
And to think all this really started with one of our novelty crosses that was painted, just walked through the parking lot to get a signature on it. Like, I want that color right there.
It's a good choice of blue.
This is there's 2 candy colors that got me hooked on candies. And this is back in the early 90s. Before that, it was just pearls and factory colors. And I saw this House of Color color chart book, and I'm flipping through it, just, yeah, whatever. I was an airbrush artist. I didn't care about the paint side of things. And I can blame the owner and the creator of House of Color, John Kosmosky. It's his fault I even bothered with getting into paint. Cobalt blue and their violet were the 2 colors that caught my attention. And I'm gonna figure out how to paint this one day. Because a bagger like this, with anything you paint candies, they're a challenge. This is a very transparent blue, so to get all the pieces the same shade, you really got to be on your game. You got to pay attention to every stupid thing. And thank you for that. It was a one and done, and I'm very proud of it. The guys really put a lot of work into it.
Way to take away from the nice brand new rims too, Ryan.
I know, right?
Brand new RC rims wrapped in Avon Cobra Chrome tires.
You've got a real steel front fender. It's not the factory 22 gauge tin.
So good.
Mm-hmm.
That was a great rack.
And it-
Glad you said that.
Yep.
The leafing kind of overpowers a little bit in the shade, but then when you get it in the sun, you've got that lighter blue. And I went easy on the pinstriping. I only put it in a few spots just to let you know it's there. I wasn't being lazy or anything.
Shoot it first.
Hold it, you like.
No, I'm still full from my lunch. At lunchtime. Before you got here.
Wait a minute. I'm gonna go finish my lunch.
Yeah, we don't like to billboard our name, but I got to get it on there somewhere. Both sides are good?
Both sides are good.
Awesome.
It's comfortable, huh?
Yeah, it's perfect height.
The seats feels good.
Seats are good. Yeah, that seat is nice. Great rack on the chain.
It's just a little better profile.
We have not gone wrong with these seats. They really, man, they just do it on every build.
Now, drag makes some really cool seats. You know, they do it in-house.
Holds you a little better. You're not flopping all over the place trying to find a comfy spot. I tell people, if you do it right, you can hide a kitchen sink in a paint job.
Mm-hmm.
Everywhere he goes on it, whether you're with him or not, you're with him. Keeping an eye on him.
Right?
Yeah, the panel fillers from ProBeam. Well, it makes the back that much brighter,
Yeah.
you know, in there.
This makes it stand out so nice.
Well, everything else now, if you wanted to change the exhaust, that's all just basically bolt-on stuff. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
cosmetically. I mean, the paint job's done, the big stuff's done. The wheels are done, the bars, you know, everything's done. Clockworks, front windshield, stereo upgraded.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, I'm stoked for that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the fender actually complements the rim too, you know.
Oh, the legs and the bells.
This the changeover from the other
Yeah.
stands.
Yeah, it was a little beat up. Yeah, those are the Arlen Ness cans. Now you can't be afraid to ride it now, you know.
Yeah, please get in the wind with it.
We will.
Keep it waxed because it's got the best of the best clear on there. It's all House of Color clear. That's the only clear that I'll spray on top of candies because it's got the most UV in it.
Any wrecks on the wax?
McGuire's honestly makes the easiest, fastest, cleanest,
Fast wax, yep.
dum-dum proof wax out there. I love it. They've even got one with a little ceramic in it, and that stuff is no joke. But it's not permanent ceramic. So if you want to wash it and do it again, wash it and do it again. And just because, you know, you guys are from Cali, keep polish on the chrome as well. It keeps it from blistering if you guys get around the beach or anything like that. Just the upkeep on the chrome is higher than anything else. Just keep polish on it. Yeah, and the front fender, it's, you know, the factory is just 10. That's rust fender and it's a tank.
14 gauge.
And everything's steel. It's all been stripped down to bare metal. A lot of, like the side covers and the fairing, a lot of that's been stripped down to the bare plastic as well, just because they get beat up so much. And I don't ever trust painting on other people's paint, factory or otherwise. Causes a lot of problems that I can't explain. And if it's not there, it's like, well, it's all my stuff. I know what it did. The inner fairing, man, changing that and color matching that, especially if it's a good color, it changes from like, to wow.
Yeah.
You know, like a dash on a car.
When Harley cleaning up the bars as much as possible, you know, with all the wires and cables and stuff hanging, you still got your brake lines, but still tuck them away behind the bars and out of sight, out of mind.
Nice job, Go Team. Cool. And good call on the metal flake too, because that gives it a little pop to it.
Well, the candy hits because of all the nooks and crannies and the lines.
It looks like it's a cobalt over chrome almost.
Yeah. That came out so good.
See, you happy with a smile? I know you were dreading that
dude.
right there.
I love the grips. This just sets it off so much nicer too, having me so much higher.
Mm-hmm.
Used to just kill my shoulders.
I don't know, when they were designing those things, when the bars are low, you think, you know, I'm gonna get good blood flow. Nope.
No.
It just, things go numb. So just at shoulder height, it's perfect.
Those bars make you feel like you're in the bike, not on the bike.
Yeah.
And that's what makes a ride comfortable, is feeling like you're in it.
But yeah, all the other bolt-on accessories is just easy from here. Yeah, you know, if you want to change latches, floorboards, you know.
It's still a stock Harley Davidson. It just won't get lost in a sea of black Harleys.
Exactly. Yeah, this bike ain't getting lost at all.
If it's lost, it's probably missing.
You seen it totally stock when it came in, so it's like transformation's pretty good.
I know it's not a full wazoo frame up build and everything, but the transformation on this with the color and the artwork and everything and the wheels, night and day different.
I'm a big ACDC fan, so that's 30Ds.
Nice.
And the old black and gold plate too.
Love it, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you for bringing it, and thank you for being patient.
It's outstanding.
And Bob can build another one.
Just as a token of appreciation too for you two guys.
Oh man. Cool.
A little
Thank
Holy
you.
cow, man. Those are
Sweet.
CB coins.
CB coins.
That's a first. Heck yeah.
Give them to all my brothers.
That's cool. We're honored, man. Thank you.
Add that to the collection, man. Thank you very much.
You bet.
Appreciate
Thank you
you
very
guys.
much.
Thank you guys, man.
Be safe with it. Take care of her. If you have any issues, don't be shy. You can't hurt my feelings, you know?
I'm sad I got a trailer at home. Thank you guys very much.
No worries. Thank you.
Thank you.
Really appreciate it.